The Rimac has a more futuristic, aerodynamic, and smooth exterior, while the Koenigsegg has a more aggressive and old-school look. The engine specs for the Koenigsegg shows its dominance as it has a 4.8-liter twin supercharged V8 engine that generates a whopping 1,018 horsepower, with a 0 to 60 time of 2.9 seconds. On the other hand, the Rimac is a fully electric hypercar with quad electric motors that generates a miraculous 1914 horsepower with a 0 to 60 time at 1.85 seconds. For the interior, it is a hard choice, but I believe that the Rimac beats the Koenigsegg because of its ultra-modern look. In the comments below, tell me what cars I should compare next.